Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel, or welcome to our channel if you're new here. In today's video, we'll be diving into our Christmas themed videos for the month. Since the holidays are coming up, we decided to take some old vases that we had and put a floral arrangement together for our dining room. And what we did was we took some very ordinary items you see around Christmas time in the dollar store and put them together to do an arrangement. We haven't done one of these in a while, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe before we get started, and let's get on into the video. Alright, so we're going to start off with all the items that we put together to put together a vase. So these are the branches that we got from the dollar store, and you'll see everything that we use here is from the dollar store. We wanted to keep it really affordable. And you'll notice that these are really beautiful. They have these like frosted finishes on them, on the branches, as well as the fruit. And if you notice, the pine cones didn't actually come like that. We took some white nail polish and just kind of painted that on, just so that it looked frosted and kind of matched with the fruit on there. We also have another variation of those, which don't have the frosted fruit. It just has regular polished fruit on there. And as you can see, we added that same nail polish effect to the pine cones just to make it look a little bit more wintry, I guess you would say. And these are some of the regular pine cones. This is how they looked beforehand, and we thought it just kind of didn't go with it very well, so we just took some of the ones that were separate so that we could fill things up. I have no idea what that is, but we're also going to use that too. And yeah, so we got a lot of variations of those. We also got these ones that have the kind of winter flowers on there. I don't know what you would call those, but yeah, they're cute little bunches. We also got this styrofoam to put at the bottom of the vase so that we can stick everything together. Now, of course, you can use regular like foam that you usually use in regular potted plants, like the green foam. I kind of forget what it's called. I think it's like a sea foam thing. But yeah, you can use that as well to stick that in. Anything that would keep all of your pieces together. Now, we also got these little poinsettia flower things. And you can see that they have these clips at the back. So what's really great about these is that you can clip them in different areas on your vase instead of just sticking them at the bottom. We also got these cool berries. They're kind of like the ones that are on the branches, but these ones have this kind of glittery finish. And these ones were really cool. We got the pine cones, but except they're red and they're glittery. So obviously not very realistic, but it will look amazing with this set together. And we also have another arrangement, which is going to be these leaves with some spirals and the same winter berries. Pretty cool. And you can see here, this is another variation of the icicles. You see we have it at the bottom, like the frozen fruit is at the top, and we have some more of those icicle pieces on the bottom and top as well. So these are pretty cool. When we saw them in the dollar store, we thought these would be perfect to add a little bit of brightness into our room, because our dining room is more of a neutral color, so a red would really push it out for the holidays. Okay, so this is the vase, or vase, if you'd like to say it that way, that we're using and working with today. So as you can see, it's pretty plain. This is pretty much the color scheme in our dining room, which is a wooden color and beige. So as you can see, it really needs some sprucing up. So we're gonna start off with these styrofoam balls. Now, initially we thought that, oh, these would be great to use to stick down. In reality, I feel that if you got the green like the green foam, the garden foam, that would be much easier. As you can see here, we're trying to put in some of those pine cones just to make it a little bit fuller. And we're just sticking in the branches. Now, what you might be thinking is, shouldn't we stick in the branches first and then put in the foam? Well, no, not exactly. If you put in the foam after you put in the branches, it's not going to stay in place. And any slight movement will completely change the arrangement around. So what this foam does, it keeps everything stuck in place, and yeah, so you're just sticking them in at first, and then afterwards you can go in and move things around to your liking. Right now we're just looking to see to make sure if we can get things secured properly inside the vase before we can move things around. Now you'll see that we're taking all of the longer pieces, the ones that are the frosted fruit. We're going to take those ones and put those at the back. Now these vases are not going to be in the center of a room, if you understand what I mean. It's going to be in a corner. So what we want is that one area is actually the front of the vase that you're seeing most of the time. So that's why we're putting all of the long things at the back and bringing a lot of the short things in front to make that bouquet. Now as you can see here, we're taking more of those and we're sticking them further down. So you may have to cut some of yours. It depends on what kind of branches you have. And as you can see here, we're taking now these little branches and we're putting them all inside the vase. And what this does is that it's going to cover all of that white styrofoam. See that, like, all of the reds, everything is going to just cover it. And even if it doesn't cover it completely, you can always say that that is snow underneath the vase. And we're putting this little, I don't know what this is. It's like, it has something inside of it, but it's some sort of fruit, I guess. We're putting that in there as well. And those glittery berries that we had from earlier, we're going to stick them actually at the top where the icicles are. I thought that these would make things look a little bit more, I don't know, like festive. So at this point, we're just taking a lot of those little bunches and just hiding any pieces that are showing. We want to make sure that the bottom of the vase, or I guess the foundation of the vase, is completely covered, and that way it makes everything look a little bit more fuller, because we're not going to overfill the top layer of the vase. We just want that the foundation of the vase looks a lot more full, so that nothing is showing underneath, one, and two, it's gonna make things look like as if it's growing out of it. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I know, a pretty short one, but yeah, we just wanted to share with you guys how we decided to redecorate our vase here for the holidays. And we thought it came out really beautiful with the brown of the pine cones and the reds of the berries, as well as the green with all the leaves and the icicles. We thought it came out super beautiful, especially with all the little flowers and everything like that. And yeah, we really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, comment down below what you thought of this video and other videos on our channel, and don't forget to subscribe to our channels to be notified whenever we upload. Now, I just wanted to say a special thank you to everyone for all the love and support so far. We've noticed a real increase in our subscriber count, and as well as the views on our videos. So I just want to say a huge thank you for the love and support. We do this as a hobby, and we really appreciate all of the feedback and everything that we've seen so far. And we hope to make a lot more amazing content for you guys in the future. And also, this view that you're seeing here right now is the pair of vases that we have. We took them out of the dining room, if you're wondering, just so that you could see what we did with both of them. But yeah. Hope you guys have a fantastic week, and thanks for watching. Bye!